Hello, everyone. Are you guys good? Hello, everyone. I hope you guys are good. My name is Sikhumbuzo Praise. I'm a recording gospel artist here in South Africa. You know, I'm here to share the good news, guys, with you guys in 2021. And last year in 2020, I've just been writing a lot of gospel music for myself. I'm working on my EP album and also working on my singles. So I've just been doing a lot of work. Being creative. Around my artwork. For my singles, and also uh, working on my music. I've just been really, really, been hands on. Work with amazing producers who are actually creating my music as we speak. And I work with guys from Nigeria. Most of my music producers are based in Nigeria. So it's really amazing. Everything is coming well so nicely, and these guys are very professional. They know what they do, and they do it so well. So yeah, I can't wait. I am getting my music already as we speak. So I'm actually working on my music. Spending a lot of time in the studio, putting vocals and everything. So it's so far so good. So guys, expect more music from me this year. But I'm really so excited about one of my songs where I featured Glory Henry. Glory Henry. She's an amazing, amazing vocalist. She's very powerful. She loves God. She's a Christian. And she's based in Nigeria. Man, I'm super excited and actually honored and humbled, to work with her on my song. She's featured. She's amazing, guys. You're gonna love her, and I'm gonna let you listen to some of her song. She's really amazing, and we're getting so well together. We're getting along so well together. And yeah, so we're learning the song right now. It's really amazing, and the song it's called Chuku Amara. Chuku Amara. And I'll explain to you in English. It means glorious God. Glorious God. So it's really amazing. I wrote the song, and also I'm one of the singers for the song. Yeah, like I said, I'm the main artist, and she's featured. So it's a collaboration, and it's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be amazing. You guys are gonna love it. And then and also, pick up to my music producer, and he's doing an amazing, amazing, in terms of the production, the music production, it's gonna be amazing, yeah. So yeah, and yeah, so guys, look out for that anytime soon. Yeah, yeah. So yeah, it's gonna be amazing. So yeah, that's what I wanted to say to you guys this year in 2021. And yeah, to say guys, look out for good music. And I'm super, super, super excited. Thank you to my producer. He's really amazing. His name is Ayanda. And yes, he's doing an amazing thing. He's doing an amazing thing. So yeah, I can't wait. Yeah, guys, I'm out of here. Yeah, stay blessed, and God loves you. Don't give up on God. God is able. Don't stop dreaming. I had this dream. Now it's really happening. Faith is everything, guys. Faith is everything, guys. Just believe in yourself. Do you? Don't be someone else. Just do you. Follow your dreams. And yeah, just pray to God. Put God first. God is everything to me. Put God in everything that I do. So yeah. So I trusted God with everything. So also thank you to my backup singers. They're sounding so good. So yeah. So, guys, thank you so much. I'm out of here. Remember, my name is Sikhumbuzo Praise. You can check me on my Facebook page, Sikhumbuzo Praise. Yeah, you can just, engage with me. You can greet me. You can send me a DM. I always enjoy to meet other music ministers coming from all walks of life, just to empower one another, talk about music business. So yeah, guys, feel free to do that anytime. Just drop me a DM. message on my DM. Sikhumbuzo praise, Sikhumbuzo praise, wherever you are in the world. This is for gospel singers. I only do gospel music. So yeah, if you're a gospel musician, in the, you don't mind meeting another musician, as a friend, and yeah, so I wouldn't mind doing that. So yeah, just you know, check up with me, okay? Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. I'm out of here. The time is up. Thank you.